the online classes. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is animal kingdom. In our last class we read about the plants, how plants are useful to us, what plants give us, what we have to do for the plants. Now in this lesson we are going to learn about animal kingdom. Our lesson 30, animal kingdom. Okay, open page 30, page 90. Open page 90. Okay. Look at the pictures given below. Can you identify the animals? Draw a red circle around pet or domestic animals and a green circle around the animals that live in the wild. So what you have to do, take a red pencil and circle the animals which are pet or domestic animals. Which are pet animals? See, dog. Dog is a pet animal now, and cow is also a domestic animal. So take a red pencil, circle dog and cow. Then take a green pencil and the animals, the wild animals, the animals which live in the jungle, they are called wild animals. So circle tiger and deer green. Okay. Then you have read that there are different kinds of animals around us, such as wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. You already know that we have domestic animals, pet animals and wild animals. Okay. We love our pets and play with them. Yes or no? Is it true? We love our pets, no? Whoever who are having pets at home, they love their pets, they take care of their pets and we play with the pets. We have wild animals, domestic animals and pet animals. Animal homes. So, how we are living in our home, in the same way animals will also have their homes. How? What are the names of the animals? Let us see. Wild animals find their homes in the jungle. They live in. A lion lives in a cave. The cave where the lion lives is called a den. Most birds make their homes on trees. The homes of birds are known as nests. Some animals such as snakes and squirrels live in the hollows of the tree trunks. Some snakes also live in the holes found in the ground. So, different animals live in different places and according to their places, the names are given. See, wild animals live in, all the wild animals will live in the jungle. And in jungle also where they live particularly, they have their places. A lion lives in a cave. Lion lives in a cave. The place where the lion lives is called a cave. And the cave where the lion lives is called a den. Okay, lion lives in a cave and den. And birds, homes of the birds are nest. In most of in trees they will make the nest. Birds lives in the nest. And some snakes and squirrels lives in the hollow, the holes in the ground or holes in the trees. They make the holes in the trees and ground and they live in the holes. Okay. Then fish out. We make homes for our domestic animals. Learn the names of these animals by matching the two rows. See here in first one there are some animals are given. In the second one some homes of the animals are given. So you need to match it. See, a cow lives in a shed. Cow lives in a shed. Rabbit lives in a, where the rabbit lives? Horse lives in a stable. Hen lives in a coop. Horse lives in a stable. Hen lives in a coop. Then more, sheep lives in a pen. Rabbit lives in a warren. So you need to match it. So this is your homework. You have to match the homes with the animals. Okay. Food that animals eat. Animals have different food habits. So how we he differently eat, like you eat differently. Your brother or sister will eat differently. Your parents will eat different. Your grandparents will eat different. So in the same way, animals will also have different food that animals eat. Animals have different food habits. Everyone will have different food habits. Some animals eat only plants and grass as food. These are called plant-eating animals or herbivorous. Some animals are only meat eaters. These are called, they eat flesh of other animals. Such animals are called flesh-eating animals or carnivorous. Some animals eat both plants and flesh of animals. They are called as omnivorous. The animals that feed on dead are called scavengers. So here, how we have vegetarians and non-vegetarians. Like some people will eat only the vegetables, so they are vegetarians. And some people will eat the meat, fish, egg, meat, fish, chicken, meat, fish. So they are called non-vegetarians. In the same way, some animals will eat only plants and grass. So these are the like vegetarian, plant-eating animals. These are plant-eating animals which are called as herbivorous animals. And some animals will eat the flesh of other animals. They will kill the other animals and they will eat the flesh of the other animals. So they are called as carnivorous animals. And some more animals are there which will eat both the grass and plants of the animals, grass and plants, and the flesh of the other. They will kill the other animals and eat the flesh of the other animals. So they are called as omnivorous. They are both plant eating and animal eaters, flesh eaters. So they are called omnivorous. And some more animals are there which live on the dead animals. See, carnivorous animals are that they will hunt, kill the animal, then eat it. But some more animals are there, some animals are there which will eat the flesh of the dead animals. They live only on the dead, already dead. They will not kill for their food. They will eat only the dead animals, the flesh of the dead animals. They are called as scavengers. Okay, what we have learned? Herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers. Herbivorous are the plant-eating animals. Carnivorous are the flesh-eating animals. Omnivorous are both plant-eating and flesh-eating. And scavengers are the one which feed on the dead animals. Okay. Types of animals based on their food habits. So see, herbivorous. Who are herbivorous animals? Giraffe, horse, cow, goat. These are some of the animals which will eat only the plants and grass. Carnivorous: lion, tiger, leopard, hawk. Lion, tiger, leopard, hawk are the animals which eat the flesh, which will hunt and eat the flesh of the other animals. And omnivorous are fox, bear, chipmunk, dog. These are like they will eat the plants, grass and the flesh of the other animals. And see, scavengers are vulture, hyena, crow. Vulture, hyena, crow are the animals which will feed on the dead animals. So these are the animals according to herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous and scavengers. Sounds of animals. What are the sounds of the animals? Animals make sounds to express themselves and to frighten their enemies. Like a cat says meow meow. This is the sound of the cat. And a dog says bhow bhow. The same way lion roars. Elephant trumpets. So these are the sounds of the animals. Different animals will have different sounds. They have different sounds. Why do they make sounds? To express themselves. Like if they feel hungry, like our small babies who can't talk, if they feel hungry, they will cry. They'll cry in a different way. If they want the attention of their parents or their elders, they will cry in a different way. In the same way, animals will also have the different sounds, and they will. Why do they make sounds? to express themselves and to frighten their enemies. They also make sounds to caution other animals of danger. So some animals will make the sounds to caution the other animals, like to inform the other animals that some danger is coming. In forest, monkeys and birds which live on trees call out loudly when they see any ferocious animals such as the tiger. See, in forest what these monkeys and birds will do? They will live on high up on the trees, so they can see far away any tiger or lion or anything. Any danger is coming towards them, so they will inform. The birds will make some noises, monkey will make some noise and inform the other birds that be careful, a tiger is coming or a hunter is coming, so be careful, you just rush into your houses. This way they alert other animals such as deer, bison, etc. See, animals and sounds. Monkey chatter, horse noise, goat bleats, dog barks, lion roars, elephant trumpets, cat meows, bird chirps. These are some of the animals and some sounds of these animals. And lastly, like babies of animals. All animals have babies. Large animals such as elephants, cows, deer, etc. usually have only one baby at a time. See, large animals like elephant, cow, deer, and some big animals will have only one baby at a time. One baby at a time. Small animals such as dogs, cats, and rabbits have many babies at a time. You might have seen, if you have a pets at home like cats, dogs at your home, they will give 2, 3, 4 babies at a time. One time they will give 2, 3, 4 babies. No, not only one. Like elephants, cows will give only one baby at a time. But the small animals like dogs, cats, rabbits will have many babies at a time. Let us find out what the baby animals are called. A lion's baby is called a cub. Lion's baby is cub. A horse baby is foal. A goat baby is kid. A goat baby is kid. A sheep is lamb. A sheep baby is lamb. A deer baby is fawn. A deer's baby is fawn. A kangaroo's baby is joe. So, what do we call? Lion baby, we call it as cub. Horse baby will say foal. Goat baby we call it as kid. A sheep baby we call it as lamb. A deer's baby we call it as fawn. A kangaroo's baby we call it as joe. Okay. So these are the animals and its babies. Okay. Then till now we have discussed about the different things about the animals, and that's all for today. We'll meet in our next class with the next part of the lesson. Have a good day.